Okay. The next part is, what does an extraordinary business look like? What does a great business look like? Well, here are the numbers for a great business. This is a company called Oroton. Has anyone got an Oroton handbag with them? Yep, one person. Well done. Two. Okay, I'm sure there's more because some of you said you weren't going to put your hand up no matter what I asked. Okay, so 5 years ago, Oroton was earning $1.6 million. This year it's going to earn $22.75 million. That's an increase of $21 million. That's a phenomenal result. Have a look at how much additional capital's been put into the business. There was $16.5 million of equity in the business 10 years ago, an additional $10.5 million's been put in. But when you compare the growth in profits that the additional capital has generated, it's 198% return. Try getting that in a bank account. That is a great result. That is a fantastic number. So the return on incremental equity is 198%. The debt has actually fallen from $22 million to 5.6.